Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks you later. You must have Python 3, 8 or newer and pip. Once confirmed, install MySQL server and create a test database plus a user with proper privileges. Make sure Vscode and the Microsoft Python extension are installed, then open your project folder. Next, create a virtual environment and activate it. This isolates packages so your system Python remains unchanged. Once done, you're ready to install the connector. Now you install the connector inside the virtual environment. Use pip install MySQL connector Python or pip install PyMySQL depending on your preference. Choose one to avoid conflicts. Then create a DB config. Py storing host, user, password, and database variables so credentials are centralized and easy to change. Next, write a connect function that uses those settings, wraps connection attempts in try/except, and always calls connection close in a finally block. Finally, perform queries and handle results. You use cursor, execute for SQL, then fetchon or fetchall, depending on expected rows, commit, changes for inserts or updates, and close cursors promptly. Make sure to enable the Vscode debugger, set breakpoints, and step through connection and query code to inspect variables and exceptions. If things go wrong, a common fix is to verify credentials, port 3306, bind address, and any firewall rules. Restarting MySQL after config changes often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.